Hey everyone, welcome back into tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to add card on PayPal. As you know that in previous video I explained about how to add the bank account on your PayPal. So in this I will guide you one of the easiest and step-by-step process how you can add card on PayPal. So for that let's get start our video. As you know, first of all you have to open your official website paypal.com, and if you have already created account then it's good, you can go with logging through. But if you don't know how to log in and all, you can go through sign up, so you can do all those process for your creation of account on this. So now we see in our video. So first I already created one account, so now you can see here login option is there, click on that. So you have to click on login. So now you can see the page of that PayPal. Inside that you can see the different options are there, home, send request and all. So inside that you can see here add card and our bank is there. So click on that. So I already made one video how to create a link between bank account to your PayPal. So you can go and check that how to do and all. So in this today we will show how to add the debit or credit card on that. So first of all click on this. So now you can see here different options are there. It's asking for about your that card. You have to give your card number of debit or credit card, and you have to give here what kind of your debit card is that, a Visa or that MasterCard, American Express, what is that, you have to select from here. After selecting that you have to give your expiration date and your security code. After giving all those things, now you can see a link card is there, so you have to click on link card. After giving all those details, so after some it will ask more detail about that security purpose, so you have to give and all. So in this way you can link your that card to your PayPal. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.